Yo, ladies and gentlemen, today we are on Skin.club again, and we got a $7,400 in my balance, guys. I know this is a really huge balance, but before start the video, if you do wish to play on Skinclub, get 7% of prize bonus, guys. All you have to do is log in my link, and after that come to plus button and you can deposit with these methods: Visa, Mastercard, GCB, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Software, NeoSurf, PayPal, Papara, White Pay, Pay by Skins, and Binance Pay. And if you deposit $50, you will get 53.5. If you deposit $100, you will get 107. If you deposit $500, you will get 535. And if you deposit $1,000, you will get 1,070. Alright, so we can start with some of knife cases. Where is the knife cases? Let me find. Alright, skeleton knife 7 times, M9 bayonet 3, butterfly 3, flip knife 3, karambit 2. Alright, on one night, karambit case. All this knife is enough for now. And let's see, guys. Okay, they pulled the first knife. Alright, we put urban masked. Alright, I'm waiting for fate if it's possible. Alright, come on, bro. Okay, fuel injector is good. Alright, come on. Nice. Oh, they pulled the tiger tooth version. That hurts a little bit. Player 2 is good. Can flip knife save me? I don't think so, guys. Gamma Doppler, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is there a chance to... Oh. No, guys, I started really. Oh my god. We won by last case. Oh my god. Wow, that was really interesting, guys, and it's time to create 5-time top battle, 5-time Doppler fights, and 5-time Glover, 5-time Star Pearl. Alright, we can create this. 20 cases to go. Alright, Bowie knife lore. We need... Alright, Poseidon, nice. Oh, okay. We got a lead. Oh my god, guys. Butterfly knife lore. Alright, second one. Come on. And Glower cases. Okay. Alright, nice. Another one. Oh my god, $1,200. Omega. Brainstream. And last case. Alright, let's see how much we won. There's really good profit, guys. $3,000 of profit. Wow. So for the next case, by the way, I'm gonna go with crazy mods and karambit knives 3. And after that, I don't know, guys. Sparkless 5, Carrigan Choice 5, $2,500 sort of case battle. This is crazy mode, so please. Bro. I shouldn't pull ghoul stuff, please. We are in the huge lead, guys, and this is not good. Don't do that, bro. We're gonna lose this. Come on. Carrigan's choice. Is there a huge item? Maybe. This is not enough. And last case. We lost this, guys.